Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a simple but fun program. Basically, a user enters the name into an input box, and if the word starts with a certain letter, they will be told what letter the word starts with. So without further ado, let's start the video. I'm going to create a subroutine called Startswith. Okay, so here we go. So basically, I'm going to print enter your name. So the user will enter the name there. So we've got the scalar entry here. She's going to take the input from the user. I'm going to chomp scalar entry. Okay, and we're coming down now onto the conditionals. So if scalar entry that matches, there's my little squiggly character here, but still got it, yep, matches, and where's that gone? D, we're going to do something. We're going to print them a message. So that's going to be print word. Sorry, not print. That's better. Word starts with. So this is the first letter in the word. So word starts with D, new line. Else, if that's not the case, we're going to have to tell the user. Tell the user by saying word, print word doesn't start with D. Okay, so this just call it starts with. Okay, so let's call it. We've got a little bit of a problem here. Let's have a quick look at that. Little slip up here. 1 second. Put a capital there, didn't I? Instead of that. Little slip up. So let's run it. Okay, so let's enter our name. I'm going to enter a name without a D. Peter. Word doesn't start with a D. Okay, let's try it again. Let's put our name in. Dave. Okay, word starts with a D. Okay, so that's at the beginning of the sentence there. Right, let's just take this off and let's do the opposite. So create a subroutine called Endswith. Again, print enter your name. Okay, nice scalar entry, standard input. I'm going to be a little bit lazy today. I'm going to use that instead. Okay, just to show you. Okay, so that's going to be chomp scalar entry, and we're going to come down onto our conditional again. So if scalar entry, it's going to be matches, just paste that in there. And we're going to do E at the end of the word. We're going to do something. So we're trying to match E at the end of the word here. So let's do that. Let's print name ends with an E, else we'll tell the user it doesn't. So print here, name doesn't end with an E. Okay, so we've got ends with here. Right, let's call that and run it. Okay, enter your name. So a name that doesn't end in D is going to be Peter. Okay, name doesn't end in E. Okay, let's do another one. Again, good old Dave. Name ends with E. So there you go, folkies. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope that's been useful to you, and remember, before you leave, hit that subscribe button below. Very important to support this channel. There's not many people out there making Perl videos these days, and I intend to stick with this, and hopefully I'm going to get better at it as well, and hopefully you will get better at it. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.